Welcome to Woldside Classic and Sports Car and Thompson & Smith. Okay, today we've on offer this 2015 Jaguar F Type R convertible, finished in Stratos Grey Metallic. It's a 5.5 litre, 550 brake horsepower variety, and it's all-wheel drive. It's in beautiful condition. It's covered 20,900 miles from new. Superb combination with the red top there, the red soft top, which is electrically retracted, and we'll pop it down for you in a moment. Sits on these 20-inch diamond cut wheels with matching Pirelli P0 tyres. Black front splitter there. Cherished number plate there coming off the car, obviously. Pop the top down, as we say, just in a few moments. We just want to take you around the car to show you a few details of just how nice this car is. There's hardly a blemish anywhere on the car. The wheels are in perfect condition, the tyres in great condition. We'll just pop the roof down there as we're coming around the car. So at the back we've got these quad exhausts, we've got reversing camera, park sensors. Just look at the paintwork, it just beams in the summer sunshine. So just pop the top down for you now. So on the driver's side, again, the wheels in perfect condition, grey inserts there. And finally the rear one. So there they are, that's with the soft top down. So the car looks superb, top up or top down, very usable, very powerful. Sports exhaust sounds a treat. We'll go down the road in a few moments. Inside the car, lovely place to be. Not much we can fault this car on. We've got these black leather shell type seats with red seat belts, got gloss black rollover hoops, a windbreak there, Meridian sound system. We've got memory seats to both driver and passenger, contrast red stitching. Plenty of storage in here. So we've got the modes there, dynamic and winter modes and everything. It's got heated seats, heated steering wheel, leather dash top. There we see the mileage there, 20,930. And as we come down, just the last bit of the presentation, if you look at the seats and the door entry there, we'll just see how beautiful this car is from top to bottom. It's had a full service history with Jaguar Land Rover. Last service was carried out December 22, 500 miles ago. High energy headlamps there, xenon lamps and everything. So there we are. So we'll take you for a run down the road and see where it goes. Thank you. Down the road in this beautiful Jaguar F Type R all-wheel drive, 550 brake horsepower motor. We're in normal mode at the moment, not in dynamic or winter, just normal mode, and the car just effortlessly drives, just as you would imagine. It's not too dramatic, just a very smooth, easy to drive car. Obviously being four-wheel drive, it's a very safe car. So dead straight ahead, so all options: navigation, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, memory seats, Meridian sound system, heated steering wheel, climate control, etc, etc. Beautiful red stitching just down the dashboard and everywhere. full leather, soft leather in superb condition. Storage of cup holders, USB ports, etc. Rear spoiler which lifts up at 60 miles an hour. You can manually lift it if you hope so. We've got winter and dynamic modes on there. We'll pop into dynamic in a second or two. So dynamic mode is confirmed just by pulling the lever back, and also we'll turn the sports exhaust on. You can have the sports exhaust on without the dynamic mode if you do this. Obviously electric folding roof controls are there, and also quite nice with the windbreak behind this. So still in dynamic mode with sports exhaust turned on. We'll just get a little bit more speed as we come out of the limits there. We do offer part exchange or finance facilities, and also nationwide delivery can be arranged.